Hello, welcome to this video. I will explain the approach to solve file upload challenge, and security level for this challenge is low. So in this file upload page, we can notice the option to upload a file. So click on this button. So as this is low level challenge, we can upload any kind of file. So first I will try to upload text file and click on upload button. So we can notice file uploaded successfully, and it is also showing the path where exactly file is stored. So this is one of the security issue, like it should not show the path where that particular file will be stored, and it will help attacker to exploit vulnerability further. Next, we will upload a PHP file. So this is the PHP file, which will basically allow me to execute command on the server. So just click on the PHP file and click on upload button. So here also we can notice in the same path, this file is getting stored. So I will just show you the code behind that PHP file. So this is a basic PHP code. So using the CMD parameter, we can execute command on the application server. So as we know, this particular file uploaded here. So we can first try to access this file, and we keep the CMD parameter to execute the command. So create a duplicate window. So we can directly provide this as a URL, as this path is showing already. And we can select a basic command like cmd cmd equal to ls to list the available file and folder. So here it is showing the uploaded file, cell.txt, and even the PHP file. Also, like if we directly use this path, as there is directory traversal sequence used, that will also work. So I can provide cmd equal to whoever, and it is showing the data. And apart from this, we can also execute other OS command. So maybe we can check if using this file upload functionality, if we can delete any particular file or not. So instead of ls, we can type rm, then the file name. Click on enter. Now again, execute ls command to see the available file and directory. So we can notice cell.txt file deleted. So we can understand like this is a very dangerous scenario. It will allow us to see the available file folder and even content of any particular file. And also it will allow to delete file from the application server. So challenge solved. Thank you.